Hello, this is Andrew Undham with the Sure Group of Berkshire Hathaway, and today we are in Phoenix in the Windermere neighborhood at 10 Nantucket Garth. This is an enormous rancher, 5,000 finished square feet, 5-bed, 3-bath, awesome finishes, and yes, it does feed Carroll Manor Elementary. We can't wait to show you more of 10 Nantucket Garth. One thing I can't stress enough is how well built this home is. All brick rancher, everything's super sturdy, high end, and what I love the most about it is the floor plan. Immediately upon entry, you're greeted by an awesome foyer. To the right, we have an enormous living room, bay window, crown molding, a really large space, immediately flowing into a large dining room, then a custom private home office. On the other wing of the house, you have 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including the primary bedroom. Now, these owners converted one of the bedrooms to an oversized laundry room / workout area. An awesome amount of space over here on the west wing of the house. Follow me into the main family room in the incredible 20 by 25 addition. Straight through the foyer welcomes you into a really cozy, nice sized family room. All brick, wood burning fireplace, 2 ceiling fans, custom lighting, and it flows right into your 20 by 25 addition. Brandon, follow me out there. This is totally livable, year-round, pellet stove, HVAC's in here with a ductless system, an awesome design. A few key things I have to point out here in the addition is the amount of outdoor living space you have. You have an enormous stamped concrete patio into a paver walkway that walks around to your own private garden, 2 sheds in this very livable 1 acre of property right here in Phoenix. Right off the family room is your very inviting, well updated and appointed kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, raised panel cabinets, all custom hardware, KitchenAid dishwasher overlooking your stamped concrete patio. Tons of storage, tons of countertop space. This kitchen has everything you need. And follow me around to the 2-car garage, co-closet, and access to your enormous basement. Just like every super well-built rancher, 10 Nantucket Garth has an enormous basement complete with 2 large bedrooms, a full bath, tons of recessed lights, an awesome amount of living space, an additional wet bar, and separate access so you can come in and out. It's a totally separate accessibility, so it is perfect for multi-generational living, an awesome hangout spot, and you have it all finished here at 10 Nantucket Garth. Thank you so much for checking out 10 Nantucket Garth. If you're looking for an acre, over 5,000 square feet, on natural gas, in the area's best elementary school, with totally separate laundry, kitchen, bedrooms, and bathrooms downstairs, and an awesome, totally usable floor plan upstairs, this could be the one for you in Windermere. Contact me, Andrew Undham, or anyone on our awesome team at the Sure Group, and we'd love to show you more inside.